Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the brand new release, Anne Stokes Gothic Oracle. It's a deck and book set. This is published by US Game Systems. This retails for $23.95, and as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can purchase this deck should you want to legitimately. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, I am so excited because I enjoy Anne Stokes Gothic Tarot, so I'm hoping that this will be just as nostalgic for me as that is. And I do have a video, I'll link it in the if I remember. All right, let's get into it. So imagine a landscape of lush forests and majestic mountains inhabited by dragons, fairies, and unicorns. Here you will also meet beautiful enchantresses who harness their magic and share it in Anne Stokes Gothic Oracle, a collection of 48 cards, each with a story to tell. Though seemingly far away, this fantastical world reflects your own experiences and desires as it activates your intuition, leading you to profound wisdom and insightful guidance. Includes 48 red gilt-edged cards and a 114-page illustrated gilt-edged book written by Stephen Bright. I am excited. Look at the holo. Ah, fun. Okay, let's open her up. Oh, the edges are fun. Oh, wow, look at the back. Oh my gosh. I am getting nostalgic here with all of this artwork. I love it. Look at that book. Oh my gosh. Okay. See if there's anything pertinent we need to know. So bonding with your cards, working with the cards, reading for others, using spreads. Okay, we have spreads. We have the Power of Three, the Dragon's Gift, Warrior's Spread, and then into the card meanings and their color in here. Oh, this is beautiful. And then we have about the artist, and I think the author. Yep. Awesome, and spots for notes. I'm going to unwrap this and get right back. All right, so here is the back. Look at how fun. Oh my goodness, the dragon, the skull, everything. Love it. And there's those edges. They are a high gloss. Let's talk about the cardstock real fast. They're very flexible. They're on the thinner side. They're not terribly thin. I wouldn't call them a problem at all. I think they're going to shuffle just great. It reminds me of the cardstock that we did with the Wild Woman Rising Oracle and the Love Yourself, the most recent Oracle decks that we did from US Game Systems. Beautiful. So no numbers, just a title at the bottom. The spider necklace is everything. Ooh. All the bats. Oh, I'm here for this. This is fun. Beautiful artwork. Beyond the Veil. Oh, that's so cool. A duality there. Be careful when you first get your cards. Any kind of edging like this will create the sticking between the cardstock or the cards together. So just be careful that you're not pulling them apart too quickly, as you might rip a card. This is beautiful. Just look at all the detail. This reminds me of like those young adult book covers, fantasy book covers. I love it. This is not a negative at all, because this is bringing back a lot of nostalgia for me. I love it. Dragon trainer. Could you imagine? This is very fun, very high fantasy, very gothic. Loving it. Wasn't expecting to see unicorns in this, but I'm here for it. In the words of Liz Lemon, I want to go to there. Ooh. Look at the little babies. Oh my goodness. The eggs. Oh. We have mermaids too? Oh, that's exciting. Oh, that's a cool Medusa. Very powerful imagery. Ooh. Those are cool wings. I'm excited to get into the guidebook. I feel like there's going to be a lot of good info, at least I hope, because I want to know backstories for all of these characters. They seem like they each have really interesting stories to tell. That's really cool. I love that. Ooh. Wow. Summon the Reaper. That is a card I've not seen before. Or an idea, I should say, that I've not seen. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, I love it. Cute. Look at his little face. That armor is amazing. So much detail. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, this feels like those oracles. Very flexible, shuffles just fine. Don't have a problem with that. Let's go this way. Don't have a problem there either. All right. Yeah. And they're a nice size. They're bigger, so you can see all of that imagery. That's awesome. Okay, so we are going to read for Await the Night. Oh, just flipped right through it. So, freedom. A vampire sits upon her coffin. Refreshed from her slumber, she is awake and ready. Bats surround her as moonlight begins to pour into the castle. While vampires cannot exist in sunlight, they are known to wake and hunt under the light of the moon. The night, therefore, is a symbol of freedom for them, since the vampire cannot live amongst the rays of daylight and are confined to their coffins until sundown. True freedom is living a life that allows for choice without constraints. We might think of freedom as being physical, like the vampire in her coffin during daylight hours. But freedom of thought and expression, especially in being our authentic selves, is a privilege not everyone has the luxury of. If you've drawn this card, it can represent both the nature of being controlled and the act of releasing yourself from restriction. Now might be the time to fight for your own freedom, whether that means doing what you wish to do, saying what is on your mind, or cutting ties with those who wish to hush you or keep you under their control. This card asks that you consider how free you really are within a given situation or relationship. What might you need to say or do to experience true freedom and live an authentic life? Oh, I love that. I love that there's keywords underneath the title. That's great. I love that it explains what's going on in the artwork. Beautiful. Okay, so this is a very versatile deck. I feel like there's a lot of ways to use this. I think the art is stunning. I think this topic is beautiful. It's very dark fantasy, very beautiful, very young adult fantasy book too. I'm here for it. It's bringing back a lot of nostalgia for me. I think I only have one complaint, and I think a lot of you know what that complaint is. And it's just a personal opinion of mine, because I know that this is a very stylistic deck, but it would be nice to see diversity in here. Again, it's just my opinion. I would love to see different body shapes, different skin tones, different hair colors, all of that to begin with, but I understand it is a choice, and it's probably based in a world that they created, in a time frame they created, so I get it. But now I would love to know what you guys think about it, because I'm enjoying it. I think it's great. I think I'm going to be using it for a lot of different readings. I think this would be really cool for a daily pull, really cool for journaling even, because like I want to know what their backstories are. I think that would be a fun project where you pull a card a day and then like write a little story about not only what the card means, but like the character in the card. Like maybe she just started her night for her hunt, or what is her goals and how do they relate to you? How can you see yourself in this character? So there's a lot of different ways to use this. It would be great to use alongside the tarot. I think that would be beautiful together. It works for me. I mean, literally no notes besides that. I think it's fun. I think I am going to really enjoy working with it. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I always love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. You guys are amazing. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it really helps me and the channel out as it pushes us out into the algorithm. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.